Hello friends, today we will discuss about the very common error, that is error of 404 page not found in WordPress. This error is of permalinks not working. There may be many causes of this error, but the most common errors are: number 1, JSON missing. It appears in the WordPress when you add new page to WordPress, but due to broken links, page is not published. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is used when data is sent from server to web page. Number 2, error 404 page not found. This appears in the WordPress when there is wrong URL or broken permalinks. Solution: for the solution of this error, see the video. Open the website, go to the page. Now you will see the page is open and working properly. Then again go to the URL, add something to the URL, press the enter key, and you will see on the screen, oops, that page cannot be found. Then again go to the dashboard to the website, go to the settings, go to the permalinks. Permalinks settings will appear. Click on the save changes. Then again click on the visit site. Click on the page you want to open. Now you will see the page is open and it is working properly. This process is very simple. If you have any sort of problem, discuss with me.